African village life, African village life food. Welcome to my channel, Margaret Joki Mugo from Embu County, Kenya, Africa. Today we are cooking most delicious food for lunch. Wow. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. And if you are not yet subscribed, subscribe, share, like, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what do you want us to cook the next episode. Wow. We start by preparing our recipe. Today is minji, rice, oho, dania, carrots, oil, salt, and budget. This is rice. We start by preparing our recipe. Gourgets, carrots, tomatoes, onions at the same time. Remember, we use 3 stones for cooking. We use firewood. Life in the village is so simple. Remember, we prepare our recipe manually. We use a knife. Kindly, we are not yet 4,000 watch hours. Kindly watch my long videos, watch my short videos to support my channel. Thank you for your continued support. We are now 4,000 watch hours. Wait to 10,000. We are now 4,000 subscribers. Wait to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Kindly subscribe so that you will be notified when we upload a new video. Remember, in the village we use firewood for cooking. We start by frying our onions into brown in color. add tomatoes. Then pour our recipe. Then prepare. Then we wash, Niji and add in the cooking food. Wow. Then we will cook for 30 minutes. Then we add rice. Wow. Thank you for your continued support. We are now 4,000 subscribers. Going to 10,000 subscribers. We are not yet 4,000 watch hours, but we are trying our best. Wow, we add salt. Then we cook for 30 minutes. After that, we will add wow, after that we will add water. Then we start with it to boil. After boiling, we add rice, respectively. Remember, I'm a new YouTuber. I'm not good in English, but I'm trying my best. Kindly support my channel. Kindly comment, let us know. How do you call this food in your village? In Kenya villages, we call it mixed rice.
Just sugar.
Wow. The food is ready. Let's enjoy the food together. The food is really yummy and delicious. Wow, let me know in the comment section how is the food, how delicious it is. Let us enjoy the food together. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for shares. Thank you for comments. Wow. Kindly comment so that kindly view my long videos, my short videos, so that we reach 4,000 watch hours. Bye bye.
Let's ask you where food you.
Gyoza video cia ndigo. Gyoza video cia ndigo na andu ekwa.